How to check TD Bank gift card balance? So visit the TD Bank gift card website. Typically there will be an option to check your card balance online. You will need to enter your gift card number and the security code. You can also call the toll-free number provided on the back of your TD Bank gift card. Follow the automated prompts to check your balance. You will likely need to enter your gift card number and possibly the security code as well. Some gift cards may have a dedicated mobile app that allows you to check your balance, view transactions, and manage your cards. If your TD Bank gift card has a mobile app associated with it, download the app and follow the instructions to check your balance. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.